Dropshipping sounds great, right? No inventory, no shipping headaches, just a profit. But then you start to hear about platform fees, subscription costs, and you start to wonder, is dropshipping with a service like Spocket actually affordable? And more importantly, how much does Spocket really cost? That's what we're breaking down today. We're going to dive into the nitty-gritty of Spocket's pricing, moving beyond the headlines to give you a full, transparent picture of what you can expect to pay. Because the last thing you want is a surprise expense eating into your hard-earned profits. So, let's start with the basics. Spocket offers a tiered pricing model, and they've got a plan for every stage of your dropshipping journey. The first thing you should know is that every paid plan comes with a 14-day free trial, which is a fantastic way to test the waters and see if the platform and its products are a good fit for your store. After that, you'll need to choose a plan. The first paid tier is the starter plan, and this one is for the true beginners. It costs $39.99 per month. For that price, you get access to Spocket's extensive product catalog and can import up to 25 unique products to your store. This is a great starting point if you're testing a niche or just want to get your feet wet without a huge financial commitment. Next up is the Pro plan, which is Spocket's most popular offering. This one will run you $59.99 per month, but here's a pro tip: if you pay annually, the cost drops to the equivalent of just $24 per month. The Pro plan is a significant upgrade from the starter plan. You can import up to 250 unique products and, crucially, you unlock access to 25 premium products. These are high-quality, best-selling items that often come with higher profit margins. You also get branded invoicing, which is a huge deal for building a professional and trustworthy brand. For the serious entrepreneurs scaling their business, there's the Empire plan. This is where things get interesting. At $99.99 per month, or the equivalent of $57 per month if you pay annually, the Empire plan gives you access to a massive 10,000 unique products and 10,000 premium products. This is the plan for you if you're running a larger store with a wide product catalog and high-volume orders. The ability to offer a huge variety of products without worrying about hitting a limit is what makes this plan so appealing. Finally, we have the Unicorn plan. This is Spocket's top-tier plan, designed for advanced sellers and large-scale operations. It costs $299 per month, but with an annual subscription, that price drops to the equivalent of $79 per month. The Unicorn plan includes everything from the Empire plan, but it seriously bumps up your product limits to 25,000 unique and 25,000 premium products. It also adds advanced features like bulk checkout and VIP support. So, beyond the monthly fees, are there any other costs to consider? Spocket itself doesn't charge transaction fees on your sales, which is great. However, you'll still have to factor in the transaction fees from your e-commerce platform, like Shopify or Wix, as well as the fees from your payment processor. The cost of the products themselves will also be a part of your overall expense, but Spocket's suppliers offer products at a discounted rate, so you can build in a healthy profit margin. And of course, don't forget about marketing and advertising costs to drive traffic to your store. Ultimately, the right Spocket plan for you depends entirely on where you are in your dropshipping journey. Start small and scale up as you grow. The great news is that Spocket's tiered model allows you to do just that, giving you the flexibility to manage your costs and invest more in your business as it becomes more profitable. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.